Peristeen is a way of managing fecal incontinence and chronic constipation. It assists the evacuation of feces by introducing water into the bowel. This is called irrigation. Peristeen enables you to decide when and where to empty your bowel. Before using Peristeen, a consultation and proper training with a trained healthcare professional is compulsory. When feeling confident with the method, many will successfully use Peristeen without a helper in the privacy and comfort of their own home. The Peristeen system contains everything you need to irrigate your bowels: a water bag, a pump and control unit, a lid, and a rectal catheter. You can also use a strap to fix the control unit to your leg if preferred. Start by filling the water bag. The water must be at body temperature. If it's too hot, it may harm the delicate lining of the bowels. If it's too cold, it may cause cramps. To properly read the volume scale on the bag, you need to fill the bag completely, even though you will not use all the water for your irrigation. Make sure you have closed the lid properly. Place the water bag on the floor or another suitable place near to where you will carry out the irrigation. Now open the catheter packaging and attach the blue connector to the catheter by pushing the two together and locking them. Fix the catheter pouch to a vertical surface by using the adhesive dot. You can also place it in a glass or another suitable place. Attach the grey connector to the lid and lock clockwise. Turn the control unit to the water symbol and pump a small amount of water into the catheter pouch to activate the coating. The rectal catheter is pre-coated, so do not use any extra lubricant. Turn the control unit to the balloon symbol to stop the water flow. Wait for at least 30 seconds to activate the coating. The catheter is then ready to insert. Sit on the toilet and insert the catheter carefully into your rectum, up to the finger grip level marked by the thin blue vertical line on the catheter. While still holding the catheter, inflate the balloon to fix the catheter. Your doctor or nurse will help you find out how many pumps you need. Now turn the control unit to the water symbol and pump the water slowly into your rectum. Your doctor or nurse will help you adjust how much water you need to achieve proper emptying of the colon. We recommend 1 pump per second to avoid discomfort. You can stop the water at any time if needed by turning to the balloon symbol. Once the proper amount of water has been pumped into the rectum, you deflate the balloon. Turn the control unit to the air symbol and the balloon deflates. Often the catheter will slide out by itself. If not, pull the catheter gently out. Disconnect the blue connector from the catheter and throw the catheter away in a small disposable plastic bag. The water causes a peristaltic movement of your bowels that pushes stools towards your rectum. Soon, water and stools will be expelled. If nothing happens, it may help to press, cough, or move the upper part of your body. The time it takes to empty the bowel depends on the individual. On average, it takes 10 to 30 minutes. Disconnect the grey connector from the lid and empty the water bag. When storing the system, make sure the knob on the control unit is placed in the finish position and that the tubes are not kinked. Finish by washing your hands. Once a good routine with Peristeen has been established, you will, to a great extent, be able to decide when and where to empty your bowels. Using Peristeen minimizes the likelihood of bowel accidents and constipation, thereby improving quality of life.